Hi, today we're gonna talk about conditionals. There are three types of conditionals. We have conditional 0, first conditional, and second conditional. Conditionals are different according to probability degrees. For example, we have 0 conditional with a 100% of probability, first conditional with the 50% of probability, and second conditional with 10% of probability. There are three examples for each type of conditional. So the example for 0 conditional is if I take sunbath without sunblock, I burn my skin. It's something that happens at any time. Then we have the example for first conditional. If we don't pay the water bill, the company will cut the service. It's a situation that happens in the future, but it's like a real possibility to happen, but it has the 50% of probability. And the last one is the second conditional, and our example is if I won the lottery, I would go to the concert of Justin Bieber this year. It's a situation that happens to you in the future, but it has the lowest probability, the 10% of probability. And it's like a unreal possibility, unreal situation. Through this video, we're gonna analyze the three types of conditional, so let's start. We have 0 conditional. It's a situation or a condition that it's always true, like as in scientific fact, and it is 100% possible. It says the result of the condition is always true, like as in scientific fact. For example, take a sun bath without sunscreen. What happens? Your skin gets burned. You would be surprised if it didn't. So, our first part of the phrase, our condition, is in present simple. I take a sun bath without sunscreen. And our result is in present simple too. I burn my skin. So, we have 4 examples, and we're gonna read them. If I don't study for my student exam, present simple, I lose the term, present simple. If I don't drink water now, I faint. If she don't arrive at 8 p.m., her mom gets angry. If you don't put the ice cream in the fridge, it melts. So let's go to the other type of conditional. We have first conditional. It's like a real possibility, and it is 50% possible. So, it's a real possibility, thinking about a particular condition or situation in the future and its result. So, there is a real possibility for this condition to happen. Remember our example for the first part? If we don't pay the water bill today, the company will cut the service. So, it is Saturday. You have been postponing the day to go and pay the bills. The deadline is today. What will the company do if you don't pay? If you don't pay, they will cut the service. It's a real possibility. So, let's analyze. If we don't pay the water bill today, it's in present simple. Our condition is in present simple. The company will cut the service. The result is in future with will. So we have like 4 examples to read. If you don't gasoline the car, present simple, you will stay stranded, future. If I arrive late, present simple, my father will be sad, future. If my PC doesn't turn on, present simple, I will not finish my homework, is the result in future. If we don't get up now, we will arrive late, for sure. So let's go to the last one type of conditional. We have this, our second conditional is like an unreal possibility. So it is 10% possible. This is the lowest one. Let's see the example. Remember our first phrase? I won the lottery. If I won the lottery, I would go to the concert of Justin Bieber this year. Okay, yes, it's an unreal possibility or a dream. Thinking about a particular condition or situation in the future and its result. There is not a real possibility for this condition to happen. It's not possible to happen. So How many people have won the lottery? Very few. That means that you have few possibilities to win, but you can dream with that and with go to the concert too. So, let's analyze the phrase. If I won the lottery is in past simple, I won. And the result goes with would. I would go to the concert of Justin Bieber this year. Would and base verb. Okay, and let's see our four last examples to understand better this last conditional. If Camila went late, that's past simple. It would be a problem. That is the result with would. If you won the lottery, what would you do? If you could be a superhero, I love this example, which power would you like to have? It's like a dream. It's not something that is going to happen in the future. If a fireball came to Earth, do you think you will survive? And that's all. Remember our three types of conditional. We have zero conditional, like 100% of possibility, and yes, we have the first conditional that has the 50% of possibility and is a real possibility. And we have the second conditional that is the lowest rank of possibility. It has 10%. It is like a dream or an unreal possibility. Remember that the zero conditional is a scientific fact. Thank you all. Goodbye.